Yo, what up, traders? Got a red day. Lost pretty big. Got to refund my account again. Now I'll be back in next week though. But yeah, I made some mistakes that I need to correct, and some mistakes I'm not gonna do ever again. And I'll show you in this video. But yep, got a red day, and yeah, it is what it is, man. So stay tuned. So here, I like that I didn't play like I got. This is almost like a setup for me here, but it broke out here, and then I needed to pull back to the highs. I need to take a trade. And that's what I did here. Broke out, held, pulled back to the highs. And I play a little bounce play here with the 150 shares, because when I'm trading the backside, I'm not trading full share size. I got taking less share size, and by doing that, I'm paying $7 in commissions. And by doing that, it's like this right here, I'm gonna win, but it's a break even trade because I didn't hold on for the whole 10 cents. I gotta figure out how I'm gonna do this. Like, I gotta figure out how many shares I can trade for me to be careful, like for me to be comfortable. I'm sorry, to just to take a loss on. Like, I need to grow some balls and take a loss instead of stopping myself out early. Like, it's been plenty of, like, I wouldn't have not been red today if I would just honored my stop. I know I said this yesterday in my video, but if I would have honored my stop loss today, a lot of trades that I took myself out early, it reversed, and I could have got green. But I took myself out because I panicked, and I didn't want to lose. I didn't want to lose that much money, so I panicked and I sold, and then I never got stopped out, and it reversed. But, I'm not done. I'm still trading some more. But like I said, I'm gonna be trading next week. I'm gonna fund my account probably tomorrow or Monday, and it takes about 2 or 3 days to get into my account. But I'll definitely be back next week. Today made me lose my margin privileges. I'm like a couple of bucks short of my margin privileges, like maybe $25 short. So we got a little pullback here, 788. Like again here, this pullback is okay. I like that it did close above this previous high here. So I played the pullback dip, but the stock is just, my bad, y'all. The stock is just so heavy, man. My bad. This was a loss. I took a loss on this trade, but I didn't capture it. And then look at it, it reversed. Like, I think I took like a 3 cent loss on this trade, but I forgot. I didn't edit it right, and it's still it never went 15 cents or 10 cents like past my average. So I should have technically still should have been in this trade, and I would have got green. Like, I would have got green, man. I stopped out early. This was a loser trade. So I jumped in here at 898, trying to play like a little push-up breakout type of candle above 8, but I don't do those type of plays often. And then I got stopped out again, took a loss. That was a loss. I'm sorry, my editing was bad on these trades on this shit today. I'm sorry, you guys. But anyway, it's more of my strategy that I like to play. Got a breakout, and see how it's holding above it, and then it's come down, and it's not coming down. I mean, there's some buying up there. Some buying. It's holding. Now, what I'm gonna start doing too, man, I'm finna start letting these candles close. Like, I'm gonna start letting these candles close because I get faked out. that was messed up. Cause like I hit my target right there. I hit my target 848, and then I didn't get filled. See, it was real quick. It had 59 on there, but it didn't fill me. So I was trying to I seen that and just trying to get out for something, man. I think you saw the 57X. The wall started popping up at 57. And then it actually reverses. If I did my 15 cent stop loss, that would have been a green play. Cause here, you see it, See how I cut off? But anyway, here, this is more of a play that I do like to take. I jumped in there. We got a breakout above previous resistance here. Got a hold above it. Now we got to pull back to it, which is, I think, is like down here a little lower. But I got in right here, 829. And this candle, if I if I did my stop loss and then stop myself out, it reversed and ripped. Starting to see a common theme here. I'm stopping myself out instead of just manning up and taking the loss. Like, if I stop myself out, then I'm taking the loss. So why not just do that, man? Like, I'm cutting myself out early from a loss. Like, I don't know. It just don't really make sense that I'm cutting myself out like that, stopping myself out. I need to just let my stop loss work for me. So, and then, you know, I was getting kind of nervous because it was taking so long to pop up. I didn't think it was going to happen. They kept testing the lows too much. Kept testing 21. Now down 20. I'm down $17. And it bounced. Just kept testing the lows. And then this little squeeze here, I thought was gonna get a little reversal pop above 40. No, I mean above 30, but it doesn't get there. Look at the tape. All that green went through, nothing happened. Just real heavy tape. I'm up a couple of cents. If I take that off, I would have lost money. Look at that. Just look how heavy it's acting, man. Some heavy tape action. Like, these little trades I'm not that bad at. Like, the next trade that I'm going to show you where I lost all my money on, that's the trade that kind of ticked me off, that I wish that I would just wait to be a little patient. Actually, no, not the next trade. The next trade, I'm sorry. After this trade. This is close to the open. I took a trade here. Trying to get like a little push back up to I took this trade because I've seen this pattern lots of times, so I just went ahead and took this trade. Act like it wanted to break out above 8, so got it at 790. Got a quick little rip to 8. And then it took me out at 8 instead of like taking me out, like I wish it took me out at 806. So now I'm down only $42 on the day. I was just down 55. That put me down. This trade put me down 42. Now this trade, it's kind of like how I blew up the last time on my. Nah, I'm gonna say that because I ain't gonna say I blew like that last time, but this trade, it just didn't work because watch how it does. It doesn't hold above these highs, so it should not have been an entry. Should not have been an entry. So I just coming back. It's not holding. Now I'm trying to play the dip. I probably should have got on that first dip. Then I'm trying to play the second one, and that was just a bad feel. Like as soon as I got in, I was just down. I got in at 49. As soon as I got in, I was down. That was crazy. As soon as I got in at 49, I was freaking down like 8 cents. Look at this. Getting dumped on. I should have probably cut it right there, but no, man. Now I'm down $100. Try to let it bounce, but it's taking too long to bounce. And then the damn thing actually, like the whole stock reverses, but it grinded up reverse. Like right where I got out is not a good spot for us. I'm down $140. Right where I got out at is not really, wasn't really smart because of these. You got the levels down here. I should have been taking the trade down here, man. I should have been taking the trade down here. And all the levels is matching up, man. 801. This is around 898. I should have took the trade down here. This should have been my first entry, not up here. If I go take a trade up here, it should have break out, hold, maybe play the pullback. So, yep, lost $140. So, gotta fund my account again and get back to it, man. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned.